Hello everybody. Today I'll be demoing my signature effects tone. This is part of my song called Beryllium. Now I'll be showing you the different pickups with this tone. Here's the bridge pickup. Here's the bridge single coil pickup. Here's all of the pickups. Here is the neck single coil pickup, which is what I use the most. Here's the neck pickup. Chords are not really meant for this. The sustain is pretty decent. Some of the pedals, the Holy Grail, Reverb, the Cloner, Sab Driver, and Sustain Compressor. This was inspired by the Multi-Voicer in Genesis, but it's not quite it. Make sure you have the Spark app and the Spark amp. This is my Strandberg and I love it. Bye everybody.